What it is, YouTube, man. See, your boy ain't been riding lately, cause so when I had y'all seen the last video, I think my last 2 videos, I had crashed the YZ, and I ain't gonna lie, this ain't even happened that day. This actually happened a separate day. I felt like again the next day after that, so I had to start riding for a minute. I was like, man, that's probably God telling me to start riding for a minute. So I had got off the bike for a little minute. But yeah, my handlebars bent. You can't really tell right now, but like when I ride, they kind of bent. So we're finna be replacing them with the Protaper Evos. I'm replacing with this right here. And got my boy Robbie with me today, helping me put the bars on.
What's up?
He also gave me a good deal on these handlebars. So man, we finna get them on. So first we finna cut the zip tie. Holding all the wires and stuff together.
I'm smooth it.
If y'all ain't know, he the one who rocked the 65. He be ripping on the 65 KTM.
Yeah, why y'all be hating, bro?
He say, why y'all be hating on him?
Yeah, why y'all be hating on me? Like, I'm just little. Taking the switches off, the bars, so we can put them on the new ones and then bolt the new ones on. Stop playing with me.
Get my baby back right, man. I ain't riding so long, man. Like when I ride, bro, I bet just bring like peace. Like, I just be chilling. I be vibing, like I don't know. We got the brakes off, front brakes off. We
now we got the clutch.
Get to the clip. You know what he doing, man? He a professional. Got everything off now. Now we just gotta get the throttle off. I don't even know how to get the throttle off. He teaching me. I don't even know how to get the throttle off.
Oh, there's a bleed. I was about to say, do I know how to do this?
You know how to do it?
I do now.
I'm putting my trust in you.
You know what Pierce did that? Hey! Sit right there, you know what Pierce did that? Well, I'm like, you looking at?
He mad cause he missed. He finna jam. Miss?
Alright, now quit playing with that boy before he put them things on you. Quit playing with that boy before he put them things on you.
Gang, gang. I swear, if you post that on YouTube, you're dead. You're done, my guy. You're done.
Got the throttle off. I don't know what you did. I don't even know how to put that back. You know how to put that back on?
Yeah.
Well, it's all, it ain't nothing but a cable. You got the handlebars off, man. He did everything. He know more than me. This is my first time changing a pair of bars.
This is my first time doing it.
This is his first time doing it, but he seen his dad do it a lot, so he know what he doing.
Alright guys, me and Countryro, we about to head out because my mom told me I gotta go home.
Everything took off straight down.
Everything's took off. So yeah, we'll catch y'all tomorrow. Finish it back up. We'll see you later. Alright, peace out.
Man, what it is, YouTube, man. So yesterday, man, we couldn't finish the handlebars because he had to go home. I was gonna let him do everything, switch it up, because he said he know how to do it, so I was gonna let him do it. But I really want to get some footage today, so I don't know if I'm gonna wait. I waited a little bit to see if they're gonna come to finish it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it. Man, this is my first time doing this. I ain't never even done it before. But I'm assuming we gonna put it back the same way how we took it off. So we ended with taking the throttle off. So I'm gonna put the throttle on first. It just made sense to. I'm gonna put the throttle back on first. I'm finna blow this out cause like throttle is sticking. Cause like got sand and stuff in here. So I'm finna go blow this out real quick. Starting the jump, man. We finna get right, man. We finna ride today, man. Got the bike back out, man. Right now you see everything stripped off. Man, that's where we left off at. Took everything off. We ain't put nothing back on yet, but I got everything right here in this little bag. Man, we gonna get this thing on real fast because I'm trying to ride today, man. I gotta ride today. If I don't ride today, I'ma die. That's how I'm feeling. Like if I don't ride today, I just gotta ride, bro. A bit. I just got to, bro. But yeah, man, let's get started, man. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I'm trying to get them both lined up evenly on both sides, but it's like, I don't know, bro. I think they bent. I had looked up how to take it off, and I had looked up how to put it on too. This guy did like some zip tie trick, so I'm gonna try to see if it works. So these zip ties I got, they low key kind of small, so I don't even think they might not even work. But put like 4 zip ties in here. These real small. We're gonna see if it works. Working though. I don't know how hard it is to slide them on without these zip ties, so I can't see they going on. Got these on, man. I just gotta put the clutch back on. Kill switch. Got the handlebars on, man. Everything looking good. Do a quick little startup for y'all, man. That thing's still mint, man. feels good though. What happened?
Check my phone. Dang.
But this bitch cutting my goddamn neck. That's why I gotta have that ski mask. God damn. But I bet riding good as free. Guess it was just the handlebars, so these bitches ain't bent now. I'm glad I ain't bought one, cause them bitches expensive too.
Yeah.
Just these little clamps. I seen them for like $50. Start right now? Oh, we ready to head up? We ready to head up?